Welcome. In front of me I have the Marshall Acton III, and I'll go over unboxing. I'll go a quick look at the speaker itself. Well, unpacking it, I am going to quickly mention that I already actually had this in my hand, so I know how good this is. So I'm not actually coming in blind to this. I just ordered this myself after we had it in the office not too long ago. Oh, come on. What the heck? Oh, there is the... Where the heck is it? There we go. Okay, so unpacking it, I do want to point out before I actually open it up, after shipping it through Amazon, it has been treated as you would expect Amazon employees to, you know, treat things after they need to pee in a bottle. So hopefully everything is just fine with the speaker itself. Set it to the side. Inside here we got the cardboard, and then we got paperwork, I don't really care about that, and the cable for power. Now this unfortunately is not a not wireless, but it does require power. It's a Bluetooth speaker, but it's not wireless. Yoink it out of here. So in terms of design wise, it's the typical Marshall design. There is a subtle change right here compared to the previous version. So previous version didn't have this kind of like back and forth knob little thingy thing here with the play, pause, and back and forth tracks. And additionally, the switch that it had, which this one is kind of crooked. I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be. It seems to be fine. Okay, so yeah, the previous one had a switch that you would kind of like pull down. You'd have to hold it, it would turn on, and then when you let go, it just kind of flips back to its original state. This one is an actual switch, so it permanently turns it on or off, which actually I do prefer, as it allows you to connect your device to it, and then whenever you, for instance, leave your house or whatever, come back, you don't need to actually like re-enable or return on whatever thing you were using that was wireless. Obviously, that's usually the case with the speakers, or even ones like the previous one, Marshall, after some time it would turn off on its own, as obviously if you flip it, it would kind of flip back to the other state. So that did have a timeout. This one stays permanently on. You can just go into Bluetooth settings, tap on the speaker, and it will automatically reconnect, and everything will work. Now additionally, this is a 60-watt speaker, if I remember correctly. Let me just quickly check. It must have written somewhere. Or not. Can't find it. But in any case, it does deliver stupendous amount of bass and sound. Unfortunately, this is a mono speaker, so there's no like left or right channel that you could differentiate. Music is being played normally through it, basically both channels at the same time, I think. But when it comes down to, for instance, using this with your computer and maybe gaming, which is something that I've been using it's not the greatest one in terms of trying to discern where the sounds are coming from, as well, you have no like 3D awareness of it. So that is a downside for it if you're planning to use it with a computer, but other than that, it still just delivers a outstanding sound. Now, plugging it in, I'm not going to be doing any kind of sound test. This microphone is nowhere near probably capable of actually picking that up, so you will have to take my word on it, saying that this actually is a pretty sweet speaker. Now I do like bass, and this does deliver a lot of it, and it does deliver a lot of it only at half of the slider. It obviously comes with Bluetooth and auxiliary, which you can see right here. So you can connect it using a cable, which I'm enabled right now. Anyway, I'm going to switch that. We have treble, bass, and volume knobs right here that do have lighting to it, as you can obviously see. These do dim after some time, so they are not permanently on this kind of brightness. So If that is something that would bother you, don't worry, they do dim out later on. And obviously during nighttime, they are not as obnoxiously visible. So there we go. Not much more to say about it. It's a fantastic speaker, highly recommend it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.